Nice shot. What's going on, guys? Today we are in York, PA. We're hunting some pheasant. Got my dad out here with me. I'm back from Florida, enjoying the snow. But hopefully we can get some action today and get some pheasants for you on film here. But I will see you guys out on the field. Peace.
Point.
Come on, Dad, this is gonna be your shot.
One of you on one side of the dog and one of you on the other side of the dog.
Okay.
We're gonna flush it like towards that telephone.
Okay. Dad, get on that side.
Come up around. There we go. Camo. Did you hit me on that first shot? I mean this bird. I think I may have hit on the first shot, yeah. Okay, it looked like a little something. You got a good mark on that?
I don't know whether she went down or she kept carrying. I lost sight of her right over here.
We'll work around and then we'll go see if we can find that first.
Okay.
All right?
Yep.
Camo has a nice point though.
It does. Good girl. All right, I'm gonna pull it that way. So one on this side of the dog. You wanna wrap around to the back?
Yeah, I'll wrap around.
Between the dog and that pine tree there. You okay? Yeah. Hey! Whoa! Whoa! Keep walking up with me. Not you. Can you take that bird?
From here?
Well, we'll get a little bit closer.
Get a little closer. You don't care if he's on the ground or not?
Not that my dog's back there. No, but sometimes in the flate pens,
Yeah.
they hurt a wing. Did you see him get up?
That's what, yeah, it looked like he hurt himself.
And Eric usually has really good flyers. About 2 a year I get like this. All right, you can take this one, keep running. Camo!
I guess you guys don't care about shells, do you?
No,
Okay.
if you're gonna lose them anyway.
Yeah. Apparently he had a hurt wing. He saw he couldn't fly.
Camo. Camo.
He donezo.
This way. Oh, okay. Get it. Good boy. Whoa. Hey, I got it. It's mine now.
All right, you got the next one. I'm done.
Yeah, he went to go and went right back down.
Yeah.
All right, fun bird. So where'd you guys do this at last time?
Where was that? Lancaster, Allentown area?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Allentown rings a bell. Good boy. Which one? Wait a minute.
I think it's the far one, right? Yeah.
He's just honoring her.
Oh, okay.
That's what you're supposed to do.
Oh, all right.
Every day for the whole life.
You move up with me as I walk up, okay? They're in front of me up here. Move up with me. I'm gonna try to take them out this way, alright? Swing around a little bit.
I was gonna say, I thought that second shot hit him, but
Didn't come all the way out. What do you want me to do? Whoa. Whoa. Another bird here.
Richard, come with me.
Whoa.
She's pointing.
Huh?
She's pointing.
She moved in.
Okay. You wanna? Is there another bird there?
Yes.
You wanna flush it? Let them shoot that, then we'll go get that one.
Well, you just asked Richard to come over there.
I'm sorry.
Poor guy. We're
Go.
trying to give him a break. Now he got him. Sorry.
oh,
See, those birds never do what you want them to do.
yeah, it's crazy.
He gets out here and decides to go that way.
Camo, heel.
Alright, are you ready? We'll try to get this one to go a little bit better.
There you go. You got it on that one. All right, Richard.
Oh, I see why you don't want to. They don't like to retrieve the birds
Oh.
that are all shot up. She's an amazing pointer, but she's not a retriever.
She still has time, right?
Hello.
She's young.
Yeah, she's only a year and a half.
Yeah.
I haven't done much fetch work with her at all. She's highly competitive though, so
When do you start training them?
as soon as you get them home.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, training really begins first thing.
Yeah. Oh, is he up in a tree?
Yeah. It fell in the tree, but it got kind of wedged in there, and then, yeah.
Good boy. Good boy, Camo. Give. Good boy.
The hawks are
Yeah.
crazy around here.
I guess they know you're killing stuff, so.
They wait. They've learned. They were setting birds over at the other field on Friday. Was that Friday's hunt? And he was training a new guy, and he let a bird go, and it flew how many feet in front of you, and a hawk swooped down and
No way.
It was wild.
A full pheasant just took him out.
Yeah, it jumped out of the crate. Camo.
Oh, let's go.
You good, Dad?
Right, right. I can't believe it. It fell halfway down and caught itself.
I know. I think it got wedged there for a second, and then it kind of got its composure.
He was up in the tree?
Yeah.
Good job. That other one I thought was gonna get away. I'm like, there's no way, dude. He's right in front of us.
Camo, easy. guys be ready. I see tracks. Definitely one running around here. I can be the dog.
I think you got a point.
Yep. Oh, there. That's not the easiest to walk in, is it?
Nah, not at all.
Heavy. You want him to come around the other side with Camo?
Yeah, over here. Good girl. I'm gonna flush this way.
Okay.
Okay, come up right over here. I don't see the bird yet, but pointing right at me. Up a little bit further.
Is it in that bush right there? Straight ahead of you? No?
Camo easy. Alright guys, move up.
Oh yeah, I see him. I was waiting for you to shoot. I wasn't gonna shoot.
I see feathers on the one shot.
Yeah,
But
I don't think it was enough though.
we're gonna work this way, Kristen. You guys reloaded and ready?
Yep.
Oh, I got a point.
Cat Mellow this way. Come on, girl.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Mellow this
Oh yeah, I
way.
see it.
You ready?
It's pointing that way, Dad. It might fly that way. Whoa. I just fell in a ditch too.
You okay?
Yeah, it fell in the little ditch there.
Camo. Camo. Oh, there's
Whoa, Mellow, whoa. Oh, that's just not me come back to me.
Phew.
We couldn't get a mark on that at all.
Did he go down?
Yeah, the bird did. Yeah,
Yeah.
the dog had no mark because he couldn't see through the grass.
Camo. This way. Camo.
Man. twisted my ankle on that one. Yeah, I fell right. There's like a little like creek, and I shot and I fell right into it. That second shot, yeah, the second shot was just a whiff.
I think I got it on the second shot.
Good, because I just, oh my god.
You guys ready?
Yeah. Is that the one that we just shot?
Yeah. Camo. Good boy. Give. I didn't send him right away because I didn't know what was going on with you. I thought you were on the ground.
No.
I heard his voice.
Almost. Let me walk around here.
Not like kind of towards the woods. Yeah.
Are you gonna come up over here?
He's on the other side of this bush.
You can see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on. Yeah.
I'm gonna try to take it like straight towards the woods. So you come in here. You don't mind walking through that stuff, walk right on in there. Ah, okay, I see tail feathers. Alright, you guys ready?
Yep.
Fetch. Good shot.
Thank you.
He wasn't letting that one get away.
Hell no.
Good girl. Come on. Good girl. Let's go.
Did you shoot on that or no?
No.
Come on, girl. Come on.
Yeah.
Good girl. Come on. Keep coming. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Keep coming. Come on. Good girl. Give. Good girl.
All right, guys. So we're back from doing a little pheasant hunting. We're taking a quick break, and we got quite a few here. Dad got on some, so we're doing good. We're gonna take a little break and go back out and see what others we can get. So stay tuned. Whoa!
Alright.
Oh, that happened. Alright, we're almost to a point. Somebody want to cut through there and get on his butt, and then
You said on his butt?
yeah, come right up on his butt. I'm gonna take it out this way towards the trees. Come on.
Move up further.
Yeah, keep coming up.
Coming up.
You guys ready?
Yep.
Fetch! Good shot.
You gotta be faster. I didn't want to wait too long.
Here.
Oh, heel. Heel. You guys both hit it.
Did it? Oh, you shot?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I didn't know he shot.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You shot?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even hear it. What the heck?
We must have shot at the same time.
Probably blew that bird to smithereens. I thought I shot before you and you didn't shoot. Dang.
It was boom. I couldn't tell if he's. I thought he'd seen him back here, but I couldn't see him. He sees him now.
Whoa, good boy.
Alright, we're gonna get some straight that way. See, what kind of good go? A little bit of an angle. Move up a little bit more. Whoa.
Oh. Good shot, Dad. That was you. That wasn't me.
Good boy.
Huh? That other bird hit at all?
It wasn't. The one leg was hanging, I thought, but it didn't drop. It sailed. Yep.
Go get it?
Well, Camp Molson. So there's that bird and these two right here.
Yeah.
Should we circle back and do these and then go over?
Yeah, I mean, that works.
However you guys want to do it.
Yeah, if we're down this end and there's three
Yeah.
birds here, might as well.
Okay, Molson. You see how close that hen was to my face?
Yeah.
Like right here.
I didn't realize there was two. I saw the one, but I saw the hen. I didn't realize there was the rooster in there too. Definitely. Maybe a couple beers.
I'm ready.
Let's go. Come up closer.
Get ready. Come on. Let's get ready to pop out of there.
Up a little further.
Right up here. All right, you guys ready?
Yep. Nice shot.
Whoa.
Get him. Nice tackle.
Good boy. I'm gonna. Wait. Remmel, here. Remmel, here. Good boy. Good boy. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, bet. Molson, bet. Molson. Good boy.
Get a little closer, Dad.
Yeah. Don't be scared. I'm still more than 6 feet apart. If this goes good, I'll just let her have it, okay? You hear me? Okay. Yeah, move up. Camera fetch. It's gonna drop. Yep.
Hit that tree limb, did you see that?
Yep. Whacked right into it.
I don't know why I put my safety on. I had another shot.
I think you both hit it.
Yeah. That second shot, you hit it first, I hit it second. All right, guys, so we just got back. GoPro died. We shot two more pheasant, and here's our takeaway. 16 pheasant. Look at this cool one.
16 out of 17.
Yeah, 16 out of 17 pheasant. There's a cool little female here. Different color than a normal hen that you would see. But I hope you guys enjoyed the hunt. And make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe button. Here's one last shot.